Now, most people are trying to make a living from trading meme coins specifically, but I stopped trading and I started launching, and that's why my Phantom wallet has over $7.6 million. Let me show you exactly how this strategy prints step by step. Now, I used to be heavily into trading crypto meme coins, but there is a reason why I stopped, because back when I was buying new coins every single day, I'd always get late in these coins and lose all my money, and that's why I completely stopped. Okay, I would buy in and then boom, the dev would liquidate my entire position. I'm pretty sure this exact scenario happened to one of you guys or most of you guys. Now that's when I realized the truth behind all these meme coins on the blockchain. Okay, the buyers are actually not the winners. If you want to be profitable in this space, you have to become a creator, and that's the truth. You have to admit it, bro. Okay, by creating your own coins, you are completely spending $0 to make a coin, you're waiting for buyers, and then you're profiting on the upside, and you can just do that over and over again. That's exactly how I make over 1 to 2K every single day from deving meme coins with only $0, and I can do it repeatedly. Launching gives you full control from the story, the supply, and the timing, and that's why it's so profitable. You have nothing to lose, bro. It costs literally $0. Okay, so stop trading and start deving. Watch this video. I will do a live step-by-step tutorial. And by the way, bro, this entire video is for educational purposes only. None of this is financial advice, so just apply the knowledge responsibly. Now, a lot of people switch from trading to deving in my community, but the number one mistake that most new beginner devs make is launching on Pump.Fun. Now, Pump.Fun has a huge problem. It's completely jammed. Thousands of coins is flooding the platform and disappearing instantly. Okay, so that's why I completely avoid launching on this platform, because you're wasting your time and money. There's just too much competition. Okay, on top of that, your coin has to reach $95,000 for it to be obviously graduated onto the Radium Dex, and the whole point of launching meme coins is for your coin to reach new levels, so to go onto the Radium Dex. So that's exactly why I switched to create coins.io. This launchpad is completely different. Your token launches straight to Radium. It will be immediately migrated onto the Radium Dex, and that means your coin will get a shit ton of transactions, momentum, and it will be viewed to a bunch of traders and trenchers live in action. Okay, so it's immediately migrated and becomes tradable right away. You get more visibility, more buyers, more control, just more everything. Now here's how to make an official meme coin on create coins.io. You've got two clear options, and it's up to you, bro. The first method and the first way to make a meme coin is to create a token from scratch. Now obviously, bro, every single meme coin needs to have a good narrative attached to it, so go on X and look for something juicy for the meme coin. It could be literally anything from jokes, political news, just anything, right? Motherfuckers will pick either. Okay, okay, breaking news. 11 out of the 12 FOMC members support a 50 BPS rate. You know, just anything, right? Any news will do great. So once you have a good narrative, come back to create coins.io, invent a quick name, add a quick symbol, then take a screenshot of your narrative and just put it right here for the logo. And just like that, after these 8 steps, you are done and the meme coin is live. Okay, but the second method to make a meme coin is actually my personal favorite and the most commonly used, because it's the most profitable by far. This is how you go from like $0 to like 10K in under a week, and that's by copying trending coins. Now these coins already have traffic and hype, which means they're already proven to go viral and they already have a good narrative. So copying them gives you instant buyers and stronger profit potential because the momentum already exists. Both methods work, but trending copies explode the fastest. But anyways, let's stop explaining, let's stop yapping, and let's actually copy a coin on chain, and let's see how much money we can make by the end of today's video. So first of all, you have to to connect your Phantom wallet, then click on this button to refresh the list and have all your new coins pop up in front of you, and just copy a coin, right? Just choose one and copy it. If it doesn't work, if you only make a couple $100, just go for the next one, and you never know, it might go viral. I'm going to copy the Gold Me coin. It has the last buy 2 seconds ago and a 100k market cap, so click on create coin. Ignore the block from Phantom, it's completely normal, okay? Every single time, okay? You will get this. Just proceed, confirm, understand, confirm, and then the coin should be copied in a couple seconds. Let's fucking go. Boom. If I go on SoScan to prove to you guys that it works, right? Boom, it's on chain, everything is legit. Okay, now it's time to create the liquidity pool. Now this part's extremely easy. We're just adding liquidity into your own meme coin, which will become instantly tradable on Radium the second it gets created. Now there's 2 easy steps, bro. Do not overcomplicate them. For the amount token A, just make sure you tap right here. That is gonna drop 900 million tokens. Right under for the amount token B, this is basically your initial buy-in into your first coin, into your own coin. You are not spending SOL permanently, it is just being used to activate the entire pool. 0.3 SOL is a minimum, and you'll get that exact amount back when you pull out the liquidity later. So we have nothing to lose, right? Because we are the first buyer and we are the owner of the coin. I'm going to put 0.35 SOL, just a bit more to be safe. Click on create pool, and obviously, bro, ignore the block. Proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And then when that is done, bro, click on the refresh button on below, scroll down, and boom, the Gold Me coin is on live. You can see your pool right here, and your profits will show up right here. And if you click on the refresh button to check your profits right here, now you guys can see that we just went up to $130 because there's now active buyers seeing our coin and buying it on chain, and that's the beauty of Devin coins. Okay, we just got results right here. Now I'm going to view the coin on Photon personally, right? Let me go on full screen for a better view of the meme coin. Let's see what happens, bro. Come on, load in. Come on, bro. Okay, now the coin is live, bro. It's already getting a shit ton of transactions. The volume is looking kind of decent. Now, even though it's going a bit down, bro, do not worry about it, because there's gonna be a shit ton of people viewing the coin, and that's how it goes up, right? More eyes on the Radium Dex, on MemeScope, more buyers. That is how it works. It's all about conversions. We just made like, I don't know, $70 right here, right off the bat. By the way, bro, this coin costed us, oh my god, bro, we're getting a lot of buyers. This is actually fucking insane. Okay, I was going to say, bro, we made this coin with completely $0. It's all proof, and we're getting some traction, bro. Like, I love this. Oh my god, bro, we are getting so many transactions. $75, oh, $64 right here. Okay, guys, I will give this coin some time for it to pump, so enjoy the quick montage. Okay guys, I am back, and we're at a 4.3k market cap. It looks like it's gonna go back up because it's doing a higher high and then a higher low. Then it's gonna do a higher high. But the liquidity is at 1.7k, which is not too shabby. So come back to create coins.io when you want to cash out your profits. And obviously, bro, click on the refresh button right here. Ooh, okay, we're up $1.52,000 in profits, which is around 11 Solana. Anyways, click on the minus button, do 100% if you want to remove the full 1.5k, then click on remove here. Ignore the block from Phantom, just proceed, confirm, understand, confirm. And boom, bro! That's exactly how you do it, step by step, okay? I just did a fucking meme coin and made some money with full transparency. If I open my Phantom wallet, boom, $1.52,000 went straight inside my wallet. Everything is legit, okay? Even though the market is a bit down, we still ended up making over $1,000, bro. Now it's up to you to take action. Now, if you want to win 3 SOL like this guy right here, make sure to like, comment your Solana address, and subscribe, and join my free Discord group and Telegram group down below, bro. And I will see you in the next video.